It's a beautiful day to get some good wings going. Got the Weber Smokey Mountain cooking away. We're going to do some chicken party wings, so watch how we do it. Loading up the Weber Smokey Mountain today. Got it rocking, just waiting for it to come up to temperature. And we're going to do some party wings. Just using some Costco party wings. Going to cook them up today. Put together my own chicken rub, which I will put down below in the comments so you can see exactly what I put in. My secret little ingredients, putting a little coffee in there, a little ground coffee, really gives it a nice taste. Put them in here, kind of shake them up a little bit, let them sweat out. We're going to drop them on the grill grate here, and then we're going to move them over to the Weber Smokey Mountain. Right now we're still coming up to temp. I've got a little bit of a batch of charcoal in there. Got some more lump charcoal, just getting going here on the propane. Like to get that good mashed over. We'll drop it in there, and we're going to aim to get this guy up to around 325 degrees, so we're going to do kind of a hot and fast on it. You can see we've got a little bit of wood in there. This is some fruit wood, got a few little chunks of it in there to be able to season it up. That's good and hot. We're going to move that over, and well, that didn't work out. A couple of tricks on the Weber Smokey Mountain. Always leave this vent wide open. That's the one in the top. The way you're going to regulate your temperatures is via these in the bottom. So there's 3 of them all the way around. Get a little bit warm, but right now I've got one of them open and I've got 2 of them closed, and we'll see how that affects the temperature. Just had the lid off, so that's why it's a little bit low, but we're going to see this pop back up to around 325. You can see I do have this set up for a couple of probes, but since we're just doing a short cook, I don't see a reason to use these. I can just go by the temperature on the top here to be able to find out what's going on inside. But if we're going to be doing like a brisket or some ribs or something that takes a little bit of a longer cook, or maybe a full chicken, I'd probably use those and plug them into one of my wireless devices. So used a little bit of non-stick spray on here and moved them onto the grill grate. Put a little bit of the chicken rub on after the fact, because we were a little bit light on it, and I like a good kick to it. This has got kind of a kick on the spice, and it's got my secret ingredient of coffee. Yeah, I'm in the Pacific Northwest, so gotta have coffee on everything. And we're gonna bring that Weber up here to, let's see, where are we going? Hey, we're about 350 right now. So next step is gonna be, pull that top off, and we're gonna put some chicken on. Just got these started. Let's take a look. That's looking nice. Got some good smoke happening on there. We're just gonna let them go. So let's check these guys, see how they're doing. Gee, they're looking mighty fine. And we'll pull out the ThermoPro. Let's see what we're probing. 155 there. 163. 190. Yeah, these guys are done. Look at that. Just oozing the juice out of those. That's looking pretty fine. So we'll pull these guys out and give them a try. Okay. We'll just start grabbing these. Oh, the juice is dripping down. Smells absolutely wonderful. So yeah, let's get all these little guys. Oops. Got one for the puppy. get all these things off of here and give them a try. Alright, so these guys came off, and we're going to try one out. Oh, that's got a nice kick to it. This is very good. Really like this. Good amount of spice on it. It's cooked just perfectly. Skin isn't real crispy, but I think that's okay. This is really good. Give this a try. Try my recipe. Hope watching this helps you. And if you want to go out and do some party wings with my rub, it's down below. And if you like what I'm doing here, please hit the subscribe, turn on the notifications, and give me a like. So make sure that you go out and plan what you're going to cook in your backyard this weekend. Thanks for watching.